Mommy, so what I go for you.
You buy me this thing too?
Yes, ma'am.
Jack don't grow. You buy me suit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! Jack, man! Hey! Okay, the thing even get shine.
Yes, ma'am.
How much you say you take buy and make it?
It's not too expensive. 50,000.
You say what?
50,000.
50,000 naira for this coat.
Yes.
Jack!
Ma?
I ask you make you give me money. You open this your mouth, tell me say you don't get money. You can't carry 50,000 naira. Buy me money. Wait for buy.
It's not far. It's just down there.
Get money for surplus. You get mad.
Good afternoon.
You don't want this suit again. With that coat. Give me back my money.
Oh, okay. We don't do refund here. I told you
Yes,
already.
ma'am.
You said we agree. Madam, refund me for here, beg. We know they waste time. We don't see every woman they stand.
Madam, stop shouting, please. Stop it. We don't do that here. Stop.
Don't shout here.
Don't shout.
You want me to
Hey, could you stop it? I've been respecting you because of your age.
Oh,
but
wow.
it seems like you don't respect yourself. If you don't leave here, I'm going to call the security.
call your security? Call and make it come. You dey mad?
Take this man.
You dey follow me talk like you crazy?
Jesus!
Hey!
Mommy,
Nonsense.
What's going on here?
Mommy is
my body dey shake.
nonsense. Where the money set there? Where the money dey? Let you go carry give them. Hey! Hey, I heard this one. You dey want?
Mommy, 500.
Shut up your mouth. I ask you for money, tell me say money no dey. Rubbish. I even need 1 or 2 suits for that event. You know as they go now.
You can wish.
Are you ready to dance?
How?
You're not ready.
How?
What be this? Jesus.
Loving you, girl, no girl, leak it. I do my more every day. I need no like I need ya. Oh no, no. Loving you, girl, you get the bum bum shake. You know how I want. She like tell me what you see when you look at me. Pussy wet like tsunami. I go let me your daddy, cause I the boost my adrenaline. My benefits like instantly. Even if you want to got.
Then when my appointment with that walk up, you know to me. So if you like on the book, get my DM, get your word, let your say. Come up me for the group and the boom and the delay cake.
Porque de casa va bien necesita le fume catari y cheques. Ade pa continental 7 este. Make up for enter ya puna na bete. No no.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey! This man!
These boys, this is a trap. No, I can't fall for this. Never. I don't get sense.
Soldier go, soldier come. Barack no they run.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Hey!
Are you ready to dance?
No, it's not ready.
He's not ready. The man, make him ready.
Loving you, girl, no girl, leak it. I do my more every day. I need no one like I need ya. Oh no no. Loving you, girl, you get the bum bum shake. You know how I want. She like tell me what you see when you look at me. Pussy wet like tsunami. I go let me your daddy, cause I the boost my adrenaline. My benefits like instantly. Even if you want to got.
Then when my appointment with that walk up, you know to me. So if you like on the book, get my DM, get your word, let your say. Come up me for the group and the boom and the delay cake.
My head to my toes. I'll give it to you, my baby. Don't use me joke. Na 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 nila, porque de casa va bien necesita le fume catari y cheques. Ade pa continental 7 este. Make up for enter ya puna na bete. No no.
Hey! Oh, oh, this is a good. Papa, give my money, they good.
Which money?
Okay, give my money now. Which one you say which money?
Money where they spread them years since now waiting.
This young boy may end up going mad.
Hello, babe.
Babe, I've been calling you since now.
Babe, I was working now.
Abi, you don't they carry Turkey girls.
Me in this Turkey carry girls? Babe, no now. All I do here is walk. The moment I see the one I'm looking for, babe, you come and join me here.
Are you sure?
Me cheat on you?
Oh yeah, what do you do when you miss me?
I'm just doing my brother with CJ and mind my business.
Okay.
I love you. Jesus!
My bad boy.
Come here, baby.
You are a very bad boy.
What's what you do here?
You got the point now.
I beg you, anybody feel me like 2K for your one generation?
I don't get.
Tinubu did nothing come out.
Money affinito.
Guy, what you fake love everywhere now? But who can make no Greek give you? There's nothing this guy will post.
Which kind of nonsense is that one?
Fake love everywhere.
That now.
Fuck up,
Who is my charger? Oh, bro, na me I beg, no vex. I beg your phone dey charge na beg. One charge small. So na dey do.
Guy, we should come be say they sacrifice to help others, but we won't do the same.
guy, because of the way this guy they post, they marvel me. Guy.
And so, who buy your own now? Blessing that today man go beat me for this house, cause it's more. I don't do anyhow. I know they follow my talk. Who carry my last Gary for us? So I keep shouting with them. My bro, no verse, I beg. Na big step away. We carry and they say when he come go buy him back.
I know tell me.
I beg.
Calm down, now easy pressure.
Now Gary now.
They serve others to feed themselves. No be waiting one post.
Now what do you want post? Check your phone. I think you want post though.
One day I want post though.
I still got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense. Now I won't be going under. I'm not held by my own strength, 'cause I've built my life on Jesus. He's never let me down. He's faithful through every season. So why would he fail?
What am I going to do with it? I mean, take a good look at me. What will fuck happen now? What will it do? You know what? You need to come. Let that be.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Okay, SK. Ha! Now the life be this way those boys feast. Yes. The people where feast am last, they nearly burn things inside my house. So make sure you fix them well.
Now no get problem. I will check out. If damage for inside, then I will have to fix it.
Now you go fast, though. Get here.
What's going on here?
You do this work fast. Bring this check up.
Take by me.
God have mercy upon us.
We be saying they cause so we be say they don't say do anything. No, they not sabi talk o.
My wife that.
God have mercy upon us.
Tell me respect yourself.
Well, man shall be like this.
Madam, I know what I do. I beg you.
I beg you. Who shall be she? When the man said they look me, I beg
Madam,
you.
respect yourself.
Who shall be?
Respect yourself. You the yes so.
I beg, no be saying this.
Respect yourself. Don't you bring me come here. Don't you teach me work. You dey hear me?
Shall do and well.
Don't be told how they do this work.
Do and well.
I just dey tell you now.
That one na your wahala.
I just dey tell you.
Because we don't come many electricians.
Tell am how I fit work.
Who shall be me?
Wow, you did a very good job.
This man.
So fast?
Fast. Not the person dey waste time. Na fast. Chap. I get to that place when I want go to now.
I love your work. Call your account number.
Obìnrin.
Honey, no transfer. Shey you don't transfer? Never transfer. The light don't blow. The light don't blow for kitchen.
Bí báyìí ní ká máa gbé wọn sí. Ìwọ tó bá ti gbé obìnrin lórí ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́ finally.
Young man, come and see the damages you have caused in my house.
Shebi, I tell you say this one wey you dey call young man, maybe like old man like this. You see the thing wey you don do for that kitchen. Kitchen don blow.
Okay, no be me do the parlor work.
Who shall be no be you do the parlor work?
That kitchen back here change over switch now.
No be
control boss.
You see this man dey turn, no be the same light.
No na control boss. Una talk say different electrician don come do go, the thing no work.
Mr. Man, come repair this thing now.
Oga, stop that kind talk. Una no tell me take work free work. You pay me for change over switch. You tell me I come repair your parlor light.
Now when you go carry negative for positive.
I believe that kind small.
Babe, have you paid him?
No, I never pay him anything.
You never pay him. Yeah. Close door. Honey, close the window. Close it down. Jesus.
Oga, Philip, respect yourself.
See this one na nepa be Jaguda boy.
You for put your hand for the window.
Oh Jesus.
You never said to me you want close the window, abi? I for cut your hand comot.
You dey whine.
Madam,
continue.
Don't worry, I go touch you.
Hey, Ajegule boy. Abeg get out.
London. Another banger. Come here, we see the water you. Green body make I rock yeah. I know you senior me. I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the boogan one? Share you be kiss than any. You better drop your body and move sucker. Suffer with this body. Make we run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. They get us to go move.
Guy, you knock him.
I knock him now.
Na lie, sound the same woman.
I say I knock him.
Okay, if you knock him, wetin be the proof?
Show us proof.
You knock him.
I no still believe na lie.
Jesus! Hey! Child!
You get it?
Hello, ma. Yes. I just see person now. Your husband, yeah, in there with woman, they come Nash. They come hotel. Now your husband. Okay, back snap him. Let's see the monkey, Abby.
Call on my man, them make them fall out.
Jesus.
And I get that TBG meeting now. We're not going to smoke people.
It's important. You don't see me crossing border. The magic we each other. All of my guys are.
Nakolos, don't drag them before now.
They can't tell me nothing. They can't match mine. Diggy. Cruising as tomato. All of these blessings.
Jesus, my brain one blow.
I know they want to see me fall.
What be this?
Obio, you done right?
Okay.
Jesus.
Hey! Uncle, Obio, calm down.
Eshibolo turn your life. Uncle, where you wanna be?
Uncle. Guys, not this side now. I've been at that side. I think I even like my colors.
Blood of Jesus!
Uncle.